In this video, I'll show you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. To get started, log into your HubSpot account and click on the Marketplace icon. From there, select the HubSpot Marketplace. Once the Marketplace opens, click on the search bar and search for Facebook ads. You may see it listed as Facebook ads, or in some cases, Meta ads. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice that this is a HubSpot certified application. Scroll down and click Install. This will open a new tab where you'll be asked to choose the portal or account you want to use. Select the account and click Continue with this account. After that, you'll be redirected back to your ad account. Wait for the page to load, and once it's ready, click on Get Started with Ads. This will open the onboarding wizard where you can begin connecting your Facebook ads account. Select Facebook and a new window will open prompting you to connect your Facebook account. Click Continue and follow the steps. If you're already logged in, you can simply proceed. Once the process is complete, HubSpot will connect with Facebook. From there, choose the ad account you want to use and click Connect. As you can see, the accounts are now successfully connected. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helped you understand how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.